Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is 3 of the 2.5D tempered glass screen protector for the LG phone that I got. This is the LG Phoenix Plus. It is also equivalent to K10, K10 Plus, and then K30. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I got this nice case to protect it with the ring for you to hold. So let's go ahead and get this started. I don't know why the seller sent me in an envelope. That's not smart because these are pretty easy to damage. So here you go. This is the, wow, copper has like a 3D effect. You see right there when I rotate. So this is the Glass Pro Premium Tempered Glass Screen Protection. Anti-ultraviolet, air bubble proof, good touch feeling, assuring transparency. 9H is pretty good, and then HD material. So on the back here is like its instruction guide on how to install it. Super hardness, 9H, and then HD screen. Explosion proof. What the? Nothing is explosion proof. Smudge proof eye protection. Made in China. So I'm gonna take out of my case, okay? Because since this case has a ring on the back, so it's kind of wobbly. I don't want to work on the phone that is gonna be wobbling, okay? So I'm going to turn out the screen and then give it a nice clean. As you can see like a fingerprint and smudges right there. I got this microfiber cleaning cloth. I'm gonna wipe it. And then you want to go ahead and then buff it out. Make sure there's no dust or lint around the area that you're gonna be working on. Else you're gonna have bubbles, even though it says bubble free. As you can see, after I wipe it, still have like a lint. So I'm gonna use my mouth, the air, to blow it out. So you see, there's a couple lint. Looks pretty clean to me right now. So let me open this up. Yeah, just tape it. Let me get my knife. Oh, damn. Got out the lint again because I was trying to open this package. So make sure you go ahead and inspect them. Yeah, I got like 3 of them for $3.59. Be sure you need to peel this off, the orange tag. There's a tag right here, you peel it off and then point it down to your phone, okay? So I'm gonna wipe it out again since I was trying to open the package on top of the phone. That was kind of messed up. Still some right there. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in now. I'm not gonna do anything. So let's see. You want to inspect it again, make sure there's no lint. There's a smudges right here. All right, right now it looks good. So you want to peel this off. Oh, there's a lint right there. So on this side. So peel this off. Slowly, or else you're gonna crack it, okay? This is pretty fragile, even though it says explosion proof. I don't think so. You can try to work on one side first. You can press it down a little bit and see how it fit. But you want to start on one side. And then after that, if you eyeball everything's correct, just make sure it doesn't move around too much, and then just pull this out. Might be too low. So that's why you don't want to press it down all the way yet. And so you can adjust it. So inspect it real quick, and then after that you can press it down. You might have like a bubble on the edges because I don't think this is I guess the original one has a curvature already, and they put this on, so it doesn't look too good. It looks good in the middle section and everything, but on the edges you see so many gap opening. So anyway, that's how you put the screen on. So I need to talk to the seller, see what is going on with this screen protector. Alright, so if you buy this on eBay, you get the buyer protection. If it doesn't feel like this, you could always take a picture and then send it to the seller. The seller most likely will give you a refund, or unless you need to dispute it. You could always dispute it through eBay, and then they have buyer protection. So either the seller need to supply you with a return label or give you money back instantly. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please be sure to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and then turn on your bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Peace.